What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video we are looking into another fantastic, a very competitive price smartwatch by Kospet, which come with the features like a long battery life, starting with the 15 days of use with one single charge and 60 days of standby time, and it takes only 1 hour to charge it to 100%. Come with 1.3-inch full touch screen, customizable multiple dials by using the YFit application, 10 exercise modes starting with the swimming, cycling, running, baseball, walking, football, and many more. Come with the standard features like a calorie burning calculation, how many steps you have taken and how long you traveled for. Featuring 24-hour heart rate monitor, auto sleep tracking with multiple function of controlling music of your mobile phone from the smartwatch, sedentary reminders, message notification receiving on your smartwatch from mobile phone, and stopwatch features. But that is not the end of the feature. Also come with the waterproof 5 atmosphere rating with the IP68. The smartwatch come with the application which is very user friendly and works straight out of the box. No configuration, no hassles whatsoever. And within this video we're going to check out each and every feature which I have mentioned. So by the end of the video you will have an idea that is this smartwatch for you or not. If that is something you are looking for, why not hit the like and subscribe button and carry on. Within the packaging with the smartwatch you get one spare wrist stripe to use SPO2 as well, and down below you have got a link for charging the smartwatch, and the back you got nothing else around it. Back looks like a carbon fiber but it's basically a plastic, whereas on the right hand side of smartwatch you have a multifunctional power on and return key button. The wrist stripe band which is provided with the smartwatch is pretty okay actually. Now the face of smartwatch is not really a Gorilla Glass or a scratch resistant. You have to provide or you have to place a protective sheet on top of it, and the sides are more or less like a plastical feel. Only the top rim is stainless steel but on the back is all plastic. That is what you're going to get for the price you are paying. Now the tiny operating system which is running in a smartwatch is very intuitive and straightforward to work with. By simply scrolling from bottom to top you're going to access your heart rate sensor, your blood pressure, SPO2, and music control option. By pressing the play button you're going to play the music from your smartphone. Next is the more option. Within this menu you're going to have access for your sports mode, where you got an option for the walking, running, cycling, climbing, yoga, basketball, football, badminton, skipping, swimming. Quite many options are available, and by clicking on the return key you can just straight away go back to the main menu. After sports mode you have an application for breathing exercise and a shutter for your camera. Next is a stopwatch, and you find your phone actually. By pressing for one button you can find your phone. Then screen sleep time, which is like a screensaver option. Watch faces are available in here and there's a very little choice actually. After watch faces, the next option you have is reset your smartwatch or power it off. Then is a QR code which is for the application and about for your smartwatch. You can also return to the home screen by swiping from left to right, and there you are. Now scrolling from top to bottom on a main face of the smartwatch you're going to access for the quick menu, do not disturb, torch, and the setting. Now in here you're also going to access what is the battery life as well as is it connected to Bluetooth or not. Then if you scroll from right to left you're going to have option for how many steps you have taken, how much calories you have burned and traveled. Then you got a sleep pattern, how you slept it. You can have a look into it, how deep and sleep was it. Weather notification will be also available, which will be getting data from your mobile phone. Then we are back onto the main screen. To see all the notification which you receive on your smartwatch, if you scroll from left to right you're going to see them all available in here if there is any. You also get mobile phone notification on a smartwatch. You can only disconnect the call, you can't really attend it or anything like that. Just to mention to you guys, you can only disconnect it, simple as that. And to attend a phone call you have to pick up your mobile phone. And you're also going to see the notification from the application like WhatsApp and everything, and you can clearly read them as well on your smartwatch. And the part which is really not strange, that you cannot reply back on the message you received. Now, controlling music on your smartphone using this smartwatch is easy and straightforward by using this music application. I just need to play up straight away. Music is on straight on my mobile phone. Can navigate by using this. I've also checked the performance of heart rate sensor with the oximeter which I have handy, and the results were not that bad at all, accurate enough to say that is working perfectly fine. And also followed the same test using the oximeter and comparing the result of SPO2 of the smartwatch as well. Whereas on my oximeter I was getting 97% of SPO2 and 98 on the smartwatch. Not really that bad at all. Now within the smartwatch you also have a blood pressure monitor. I tried to turn it on and just check it, that does it work or not. And I was getting the readings of blood pressure, but I do not have an instrument to compare it against. So I'm going to pass on that particular reading that it is kind of a working. Smartwatch, you also have a brightness level selector. It's just a bare selector, does not have any sensor to auto brightness the LCD screen. I can see the display in a very normal bright room without any problem. And outdoor kind of okay, but I cannot say 100% that in sunlight is going to work very well. I did notice that I could see the display of my smartwatch, but my camera wasn't been able to. So I'm sorry for that guys, but it seems to be okay, to be honest with you. Now let's briefly look into the YFit application which you need to use for the smartwatch. Very user friendly and straightforward to work with. On a home screen you get to see all the data, that how many steps you have taken, calories you have burned, distance and activities, the last workout, heart rate, how's it doing in the live, sleeping pattern, blood pressure and oxygen saturation level. All the structure information is not that bad. You can go into more charts information if you want to. Application has been done very nicely right in front of you with everything you want to see. Next tab you have is for the working out, and you have to use your mobile phone for the GPS location. Smartwatch does not come with a built-in GPS at all, and you can also launch this workout right from your smartphone. But press the go button.
2, 1, go.
There you go. You're going to see a display right straight away on your smartwatch and exactly same information going between up and down. You can also pause your workout from the application or from the smartwatch if you want to.
Workout paused. Workout stopped.
You can also launch all these workouts from your smartwatch if you want to. That's not a restriction. Again, for the GPS data, you have to use your mobile phone. Next option you have is for the devices, where it's going to show you each and everything about your smartwatch. That what's its model number, what is connected with your mobile phone, what is the battery status live, as well as what is the permissions you need to run this application on your mobile phone. Down below you also got the option for watch faces, where you got at the moment 3 choices. The third one down there is editable actually, so as the time position, above time and below time areas as well. You can also select a picture from your mobile phone and put it on the face of smartwatch if you want to. There we go. My face is on my smartwatch right straight away, no problem whatsoever. I can restore it to the default by press of a 1 button as well if I want to. I've just did it. Within this device area, you can also set the call reminder, application reminder, that what application you would like to get the notifications from. You can select, deselect any one of them right from the menu in here. Then you got option for the setting up the alarm clock, sedentary reminder, goal notification, music control, and select the application you wanted to use for the music control. You can select any one of them available which you have on your mobile phone for the music, and that's about it. Within here you're also going to see the option for the drinking alert, time and display format. You can have a 24-hour or 12-hour display time, finding your band option, do not disturb option, and the palm bright screen, which is normal option, heart rate detection, and a camera, easy camera actually option. But press over this button, you can actually launch the camera application, and by shaking your smartwatch you can take a picture actually, guys. Simple and straightforward is that. And that's what I'm doing actually. Option of firmware upgrade is available right in here. Next option is the profile, where you can set your goal, units you would like to follow, maps you would like to use. You have got a choice of 2 maps in here. Let me select the Google map, which will be better for me to work with. Once it's done, you are good to go. So you've seen that application is very straightforward and intuitive. Now here we are in the end of this video, and I try to show what this smartwatch can do for you, all its options as well. But if you still have any more reservation, please do let me know in the comment section down below as well. Now the things which I don't like about the smartwatch, which was very minor thing I was supposed, is the belt actually. I have seen this, especially this belt. I was unable to record this on my camera, but hey yo, belt just snap off just like that. It might be to do with this particular belt, or I'm putting it too tight I suppose, but that is the only flaw I found. Other than that, everything was great with the smartwatch. Change the belt to the red one, I suppose it will be fine. That would be all from my side. But if you still have any more questions and concern about the smartwatch, please let me know in the comment section down below. I would be happy to help with anything possibly I could. That will be all, guys. See ya. Bye bye.